Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today I'm going to talk about how to get VIP clients on LinkedIn. How can you attract VIP clients who are happy to pay premium for premium quality service and results fast? Now, step number one is you have to change your mindset. You have to really understand what it's like to be a VIP client yourself before you can even start attracting them. That means try to imagine what it would be like to be a VIP client. Money is no object, time is rare, and you can buy time with money by outsourcing things that you don't want to do or things that someone else can do better to someone else. What would your life be like? Now think about it. What would you do? How would you get out of bed in the morning? What would you do? How are you making decisions on a day-to-day basis? For example, you want to get from A to B. Are you thinking about taking the bus, the tube, the train, or getting your private car? What is it you're doing if you're in the supermarket, you want to buy something, but it's not on discount, but you really want it? Would you buy it? Or would you say, no, not today, I'm going to do that someday else? How would you behave towards vendors yourself? When you're paying someone, would you be someone who's like worried about not getting the results, or would you always pay on time and even add a bonus, so like a tip to the vendor to make sure that they're happy and delivering and over-delivering the best possible results? How would you want to be treated when you're walking into a store? You have to really feel this to understand how you can become this. Once you have a better understanding, we can move on to the next step. Now, once we understand how it's like to live their life, we can make a list of things that they want or might want if they knew there was something that could help them save more time or get better results quicker. Now, think about what is the reality of this person? What is going on? What are their daily challenges? Where could they save more time? Where would they want to get better results? And then make an entire list of them. Now that we understand how it's like to be a VIP client yourself, and you have made a list of all the different wants and challenges that they are facing on a daily basis, we're going to explore how we can use storytelling to communicate that what they want or what they worry about could be resolved with your service or your product. So we're going to use storytelling as the tool to get them from there, maybe subconsciously feeling a need or a want or a worry, to actually telling them about it without being salesy. And we are doing that by telling stories. The stories are a bridge that we are building for them to understand this transition. And it's really important when you're using storytelling to really use what we learned in step one, our understanding of their reality, and using that in our language to demonstrate that we actually know what it's like to live their life. If we can use just the right words, we can make them feel you are just the right person because you are living in their world. And a lot of times VIP clients will not reach out to you because they're worried that you might not understand them. You're coming from a different world, but by using language to communicate that you understand their reality, by clearly understanding and expressing what is going on in their life, what do they want, what do they worry about, you show them that you're one of them, and that makes it much more likely they will trust you enough to reach out to you, become a potential customer. It's also equally important that you're using language to keep some of the people away. You want to be polarizing. You want to clearly communicate that you can help VIP clients, while you also want to communicate that you won't be able to serve non-VIP clients. You can use language to keep them away. This will help you to get better inquiries. Now, here's the thing. Time is very limited, and you have to make sure that you're spending more time on helping VIP clients and giving them the special extra service. So by you not being distracted by inquiries, which might not be able to pay premium, or who might just want to take up your time or want to get some free advice, you have to deter those people so you have more time from the higher qualified prospects. Now, the fourth step is we have to create a VIP funnel to convert them from being a prospect to becoming a happy customer who's willing to buy again and again and again. Now, here's how you have to think differently about this. VIP clients are different than regular clients. They are willing to pay premium for premium quality and results, and they're expecting a premium experience throughout the buying circle. That means one-on-one. You want to get them on the phone or meet them in person as quickly as possible. You want to also redesign your website to show them that you are living in their reality by using the same language on your website. Show them again to highlight highlight how well you are understanding their day-to-day life and their challenges. And then you can use that, get their contact information, and then get them on the phone or on a meeting as quickly as possible, depending on where they live. Now, step number 5, it's all about one-to-one selling with VIP clients. Once you get them on the phone or you meet them in person, make sure that you're continuing the experience of being a VIP. Find the right meeting space. Don't meet in a public coffee shop. If you're meeting in person, find a nice meeting room, pay for it, or meet them in the office. Find a proper meeting space. Find out what do they want to drink. Find out a place where you can serve them their favorite drink. Make this about them and them having a great experience from start to end. Remember, money is no objective for them. They care much more about the experience of working with you, of spending the time with you who can deliver the results. And this is enjoyable, spending time with you and working with you and getting the quality results. So make sure that they're happy from the first step they're sitting down till the last time they shake your hand when they're leaving. Now, step number 6, you have to determine their needs. Find out what is it specifically that made them reach out to you. What are they trying to achieve? Where do they want to go? What are some of the challenges they're facing and how you can help them to overcome them? Now, step number 7, create a plan that focuses on results. Remember, they don't care so much about the money, so don't try to explain the pricing. It's much more important that you really focus on results. And it's also very important that you understand time is their most precious commodity. So don't write a 20-page proposal. Focus on getting the key results on one page only. Give them an executive summary so they can quickly understand all the different benefits that working with you will have for their business. And then step number 8, close the deal. Once everyone is happy, get them contract, send them the invoice, and then start working. Deliver the best possible quality you can think of, and you have yourself a customer for life who is happy to pay premium again and again and again. Now, if you want to learn more about how to create a following on LinkedIn to attract VIP clients, check out this video over here where I share 50 of my best kept secrets how you can build a LinkedIn following from 0 to 10,000 followers in 2020. And if you want to learn more about videos about marketing strategies to attract VIP clients, make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and let me know in the comments, do you have VIP clients? Which tip has helped you the most to attract the right clients? And if you have any questions about getting VIP clients, make sure that you check out the description below. There is a link for a contact form, how you can get in touch with me. And then if you're a good fit, let's hop on a call and discuss how I can help you to implement this in your business.